We will cover the replace device functionality in FactoryTalk Policy Manager. So replace device appears up here. This is within a zone or on a device table. The concept of a replace device is that once a device has been deployed to, it has security configuration. But if that device fails in the field, maintenance will replace that device with a new one of a similar type, and it will need to have the same type of security configuration to continue to communicate effectively in that control system. So replace device works the same way as a deploy works, except it only deploys to that individual device. So it receives the security configuration that the previous one that failed had. So the only way this will work, and the reason why it's not showing up here, is that you have to have a successful deployment first to a device. And once it has been successfully deployed to, this button will be enabled and the user can click on it. And they'll get the same pop-up as seen before with the ports that will be deployed to and where to reset communications during policy deployment or after policy deployment. The results of that will appear in the results pane during deployment to that device. And that covers the replace device functionality.